name is Abdullahi from Nigeria, Kano. I was diagnosed 2 years ago with an aortic dissection in a hospital called Kano Teaching Hospital. I was like, the doctor said I was going to die in just 2 weeks because the thing is very severe.
2 years, in 2 years back, like 2 years, we realized that he is suffering from aortic dissection.
My father was very annoyed. We went to as many as 5 hospitals in Nigeria. We went to Abuja Hospital, we went to Katsina, one of our states, to diagnose.
So we went different hospital in Nigeria, but all the doctors said they couldn't do the surgery because the surgery is a very big surgery.
One of our doctors said we have to come to India for surgery because the surgery is very big. We can't do it in Nigeria. He just referred us to here, and we met Dr. Sushant.
But our doctor suggests that from Kano Teaching Hospital, from Kano State, that's our state, he said we should just come to India. So we make an arrangement and come to India. We met Dr. Sushant Srivastava.
I'm with Abdullahi, who is a 20-year-old boy from Nigeria. He's smiling now, but just a few weeks ago, the situation was very different. His case was a very interesting case. He was born with a narrowing of the aorta known as the coarctation of aorta, and because of that, he had very high blood pressure in his upper body. Because of the high blood pressure, at some point in time, he suffered from aortic dissection. Now, aortic dissection and coarctation of aorta are both serious conditions, and the operations for them are separate. But here we were faced with a challenge of doing the 2 operations in the same sitting through 1 incision. So we gathered as much information about his condition as possible from investigations, and then we prepared to do the surgery. We made a lot of preparation, and then we went in through the midline, opened his chest, and we did the whole operation in 1 sitting. Now, we needed to treat the coarctation of aorta because if the coarctation remained untreated, then his blood pressure would remain high, and any repair done for his dissection would not hold. So we went in and we changed all the arteries supplying his upper limbs and head and neck, and replaced them with prosthetic tubes or grafts. By God's grace, the operation was successful, and the result can be seen in the form of a smiling Abdullahi.
The surgery took like 20, or I would say 18 to 20 hours. Yes, but Alhamdulillah, the surgery was successful. Upon all the hardship, the suffering, the fear, but Alhamdulillah, the surgery was successful. The experience, oh, Alhamdulillah. So we thank Dr. Sushant for this.
And he made the surgery. Alhamdulillah, it's very successful, and I'm feeling better now. Alhamdulillah. Thank you.